Bad Bunny's Super Bowl performance is one of a kind, and he's that one artist who really knows how to capture the cultural reference into his art, no matter what the stage is. And he did exactly that during Super Bowl as well, with excellently coordinated outfits of the entire team, the back dancers wearing guaberas. Bad Bunny himself, all the possible excess of wearing something luxury, still picked Zara as his outfit. And what do you think the strategy is? Staying grounded with a brand which is accessible by any one of us, and keeping his Spanish roots strong, as Zara is a Spanish brand. Every detail had something to be noticed over here. His family name at the back and the number 64, which most of them are confused with her mother birth year, but it's actually a tribute to his uncle. If you have stayed consistent through the 30 minutes of the performance video, you must have seen the beautiful surprise of Ricky Martin. I got butterflies in my stomach when I saw him, because I'm a millennial. And how can we not talk about Lady Gaga? Beautiful outfit by a Brooklyn-based designer, Luar. Loved the color combination of her outfit. The dress is self-pleated throughout, and that brooch is not just a brooch, it's the official flower of Puerto Rico. This is what exactly I mean when Bad Bunny is that one artist who knows the power of his art. And this is how, during the most critical times, art is so important. You place a point of view through your art. And there's no better way that we all would have received this. No halftime performance has been as incredible as this one.